Beetroot Sugar Scrub for glowing face and body. This simple yet powerful remedy can give your skin that natural brightness and softness you've been looking for. To begin, take one fresh beetroot. Make sure it's firm and clean. Carefully remove the peel using a knife or a peeler. Always try to use fresh beetroot instead of stored ones for best results. Beetroot is packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin plays a big role in keeping your skin healthy. It helps in decreasing the formation of melanin, which is the pigment that causes your skin to darken. So when used regularly, beetroot helps reduce hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Once peeled, cut the beetroot into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller chunks makes it easier to blend or grind later. Now take those pieces and add them to a grinder. Pour in 1 cup of water to help with the grinding process. Blend it until you get a smooth, liquid consistency. If you don't have a grinder or blender, you can also grate the beetroot finely using a hand grater. After that, squeeze out the juice using a clean cloth or strainer. Make sure to strain the juice well to remove any solid bits. The juice can be stored and used in various home remedies. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you may have seen some of the beetroot-based skin and hair treatments we've shared. But today, we're going to focus on something different. In this particular remedy, we're going to use the leftover pulp. Yes, that bright red fibrous part that usually gets discarded. This beetroot pulp is extremely beneficial for the skin. It contains antioxidants and essential nutrients that help in repairing damaged skin cells. Not only that, it also promotes collagen synthesis, which is crucial for maintaining youthful, plump skin. Now let's add the exfoliating ingredient. Take 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground sugar. You can also use brown sugar instead of white sugar. Both work well. One important note here. Please avoid using large sugar crystals directly on your skin, especially your face. They can be too harsh and may cause microtears. So always make sure to grind your sugar slightly to make it less abrasive, but still grainy enough to exfoliate. Next, add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is not just a sweet ingredient, it's a miracle for the skin. It deeply moisturizes and hydrates dry skin, making it soft and supple. It's also known as a gentle exfoliator, especially for people with sensitive skin. And it helps lighten scars and blemishes over time. Now add a few drops of almond oils. This step is optional, but highly recommended. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and helps nourish and soften the skin. If you don't have almond oil, you can skip it or replace it with olive oil or jojoba oil. To give the scrub a thicker consistency, add 2 tablespoons of graham flour also known as chickpea flour or besan. This acts as a binding agent and also works as a natural cleanser. If you don't have gram flour at home, don't worry. You can substitute it with rice flour or even wheat flour. Now slowly add some of the beetroot juice that we extracted earlier. Mix everything well until you get a nice thick paste. Not too runny, not too dry. It should be spreadable but not dripping. To store this homemade scrub, I'm using an old lotion container. Just make sure it's clean and dry before you fill it up. You can refrigerate this scrub for up to a week. All the ingredients we've used in this scrub work beautifully together. They target different skin concerns like dullness, dryness, dark spots, and aging. Sugar, for example, contains glycolic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid that helps break down the bonds between dead skin cells. It gently loosens the old cells and allows new, fresh skin to come to the surface. That's what gives you that instant glow after scrubbing. And just like that, our amazing skin brightening scrub is ready to use. Apply it on freshly cleaned skin. This could be your face, neck, hands, or even your entire body. Massage gently with your fingertips in circular motions. This scrub not only removes dead skin cells but also hydrates the skin really well. Sugar is a natural humectant. That means it attracts moisture from the air into your skin, keeping it soft and hydrated for longer. If you're using this scrub on your face, keep your scrubbing time limited to around 40 to 50 seconds. That's enough to exfoliate without irritating the delicate facial skin. If you're using this as a body scrub, it works best after a shower when your skin is damp and soft. Gently rub it into the skin in small, circular motions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Don't use hot water, as it can dry out your skin. After rinsing, splash your face or body with plain, cool water to close your pores. There's no need to use any additional face wash or body wash after this. The scrub does the cleansing and moisturizing both at once. Once your skin is dry, apply your favorite serum or moisturizer to lock in the hydration and keep your skin glowing. I highly encourage you to try this easy and natural scrub at home. It's effective, inexpensive, and free from harmful chemicals. And once you try it, don't forget to let us know how it worked for you. You can share your feedback or any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. To support this channel and help us grow, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY skincare remedies. Thank you so much for watching.